Welcome to Grade 7 Geography, Unit Number 1, Physical Patterns in a Changing World. This is Lesson Number 1, What are Landforms? If you were to leave your house and spend a few weeks traveling across a province, you would notice two things. First, you would notice that your feet were really tired. More importantly, you would notice that the shape of the land changed. These changes are due to the fact that Ontario and Canada is made of different landforms. Landforms are the natural features that make up Earth's surface. Landforms are very important. They affect where we live and what sort of activities we can take part in. We tend to think of landforms when we hear about natural disasters, such as earthquakes, landslides, mudslides, and tsunamis. Natural disasters, like landforms, greatly affect the way people live their daily lives. Historically, the landforms in a region affected the type of food that was available to eat and how people could get the food they needed. Landforms also affected how people could travel, as well as the types of structures that people could build. Today, landforms affect the size and layout of our buildings and communities. The forces that created landforms also created areas where people can find deposits of valuable minerals, such as gold, and natural resources. Let's look at the major types of landforms found on Earth. A shield is the base rock of an ancient mountain region that has been worn away, leaving a flat, rocky landform region. The Canadian Shield is Canada's largest landform. It's a great place to study, but it is not suitable for agriculture or year-round living. A plateau is a high, flat region that has been lifted up by the movement of Earth's surface. Plateaus occur at higher elevations than plains and are found in mountainous regions, sometimes between two mountains. A valley is an area of lowland between areas of higher land. Valleys often have a river or stream flowing through them in the direction that the land slopes. Valleys tend to be V-shaped or U-shaped. A plain is a large, flat to gently rolling region. There are plains on every continent. They tend to be very flat and are highly suitable for agriculture. An example of this is the interior plains in the Prairie provinces. Mountains are found on every continent. There are different types of mountains, but all are formed by huge movements in the Earth's crust, the top layer of rock on Earth's surface. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust from which molten rock or magma escapes to reach the surface. Magma is the extremely hot fluid material that is found under Earth's crust. When magma reaches Earth's surface, it becomes lava. Lava is molten rock flowing from a volcano. Over time, lava cools and piles up in layers, creating a new mountain. Sometimes the rock and ash that spews from the mouth of a volcano forms a cone shape around a volcano, thus creating a new mountain. The types of landforms we've read about today are created over millions of years, so it is impossible for people to notice the change in the shape of the land in their lifetime. If these landforms were to form quickly, it would be disastrous for humans and the environment. Okay, so here's an activity which I'm going to leave you with at home. You're going to try this out, and then we're going to take up this activity at the start of tomorrow's class. On this page and the next page, what I want you to do is take a look at each picture and determine whether you see a shield, a volcano, a plateau, a valley, a plain, or a mountain. You may want to write this down, actually, so that you can uh, better remember your answers, but I will pull up this video at the start of tomorrow's class. So again, you're going to look at the three pictures on this page, the pictures on the next page, and determine what type of landform you see in each image. So make sure you pause the video as you go through these two pages. Okay, so pause the video now. All right, and pause the video here. All right, so just in closing, if there's anything which you didn't understand on your first viewing of this video, I do want you to go back and watch this video again. It never hurts to go back and review a video at least 2 times, and we will go over this final activity during tomorrow's class. But until we meet again, this concludes today's video.